that the Tax Procedures Amendment Bill number 20, Bill of 2024, the National Assembly Bills number 46 of 2024, be read for the second time, Honorable Speaker. And the bill, Honorable Speaker, was published on 1st November 2024 and was actually read for the first time on 13th of November 2024. And thereafter, it was committed to the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning for consideration and tabling in the House. Honorable Speaker, I wish to give the overview or the general overview of what really this bill, the proposed amendments contains, Honorable Speaker. And I will start, Honorable Speaker, with the clarity on the form, the nature, and the contents of the electronic tax invoice. The electronic tax invoice, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, looking at the clause 2 of the bill, it seeks to amend the section 23A of the Principal Act by inserting a new subsection 2A to clarify the information required on electronic tax invoice. This also mandates that such invoices should contain the following information, Honorable Speaker: the designation tax invoice, the name, the address, and the PIN of the supplier, and if available, Honorable Speaker, the same details for the purchaser. That is what this particular clause seeks to clarify. Number 2, Honorable Speaker, it also requires the inclusion of the tax invoice serial number, issuance date and time, supply date and time, if different, description of the supply, including, of course, the quantity or types of services, and the details of any discount applied, consideration for the supply, tax rate charged, total amount, and any other information. Mr. Speaker, in order to address the challenges posed by small businesses, small businesses face and the small-scale farmers, this bill also seeks to insert a new subsection 3A. And I call upon honorable members, Honorable Speaker, to follow on this even before we get to the committee of the whole House, so that they can be able to, because we all come from areas that have got very many small-scale business owners. So it seeks to insert a new section 3A, where a small business or a small-scale farmer will be the one to issue a tax invoice for the purpose of ascertaining tax liability. This will apply to those whose turnover does not exceed 1 million. The word here, Honorable Speaker, is that it does not. It only applies to those that whose turnover does not exceed 1 million. So this proposed amendment, Honorable Speaker, seeks to provide clarity, and they also simplify the compliance for business. Honorable Speaker, let's look at the extension of tax amnesty program, whose deadline is June 2025. Clause 3 of the bill proposes to delete Section 37E of the Tax Procedures Act to extend the tax amnesty program deadline from 30th June 2024